What's good, y'all? It's a great day. Welcome to Road to 10K. Today is day 60. No, today might be 70 or 69. I'm not sure. I'm Road to 10K. Today we'll be going over the weekly news we have for this upcoming week. Hit the like button if y'all are new. Hit the subscribe button and post notice. Discord link about, TikTok about, everything about. Please go check that out. But we are starting the week off with some great news. I'll be showing that very shortly. Friday we have average hourly earnings. I'll go into that in a second. But hold on. As y'all know, it is the first week of the month, so this week is always going to be pretty volatile. I would say y'all need to be prepared. Simple as that. Be prepared. I had a long night, so don't mind me if I look like I'm dying. But that being said, as y'all can see, Monday we have two folders, one red and one orange. Oh, wait! I'm so excited for that, man. Y'all don't even know. Tuesday, 10 a.m. Jolt's job opening is going to be great. Bring great volatility to the market. Wednesday, we also have two orange folders, one at 10, one at 8:15. Thursday, unemployment claims 8:30. Friday, 8:30 a.m. We have average hourly earnings, which is the full report. Get y'all's evals ready, because we ready to full report them. But this is going to be a crazy week, bro. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I'm very excited to see what this week has to offer. Now, with that being said, I went over what we have for this week. Now let's do a couple back testing sessions. Let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, bro. I got this chop. Hold on. Alright, bet. Hold on, let it load up. But, bet. As y'all can see, we are on the FX replay, motherfucker. So, let's go to New York session. Alright, what? We sold off crazy. What? Alright, now we want to go to the 4 hour. Correct. Boom. We're rejecting out of this 4 hour gap right here. We have an unmitigated 4 hour up here, which I'll mark out. 4 hour key level. We are clearly trending lower though, so I don't expect us to continue to go higher. Maybe we tap up into that gap and continue to go lower. But yeah, so we also have a high right here. That is a good point to mark. And we do have the 4 hour key level. Pretty sure this will be in a 15-minute gap, which it is a mitigator right here. So I would be looking for a tap into this and continue to sell off. We do have a big gap over here, which is in that low, which is actually inverse. So we have a mitigator right here. Let's go ahead and mark this out. That's all we need to do. Boom. Alright, cool. Now we can go into the 5 minute and just, play it out. Boom, 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 boom. So what I'm looking for here, market open, is either right now we do have a lot of buy side. So if we go sweep out all this buy side and continue to go lower, that is going to be the play I would love for me to take. Or we could go and sweep lower. But as you see, we tapped into this 5 minute gap. Do we have any inversions? We do not to the floor. So we're going to be patient and just wait. Simple as that. Boom. Tap into the 15-minute gap. We are definitely trending lower though, so I'm gonna be very cautious if I was to take longs. But that is just beautiful displacement. This is beautiful, y'all. This is great. We have AMD, not even AMD. Actually, yeah, AMD. We have perfect draws. Buy side all the way up here. Stop loss down here, and let's go ahead and see. Boom. Simple as that, man. That was a very good play. Let's go ahead and get into another session. We just going to hit out just 2 or 3 for y'all. Not too shabby. Right now we are rejecting off this 4 hour key level. Boom. Or this 4 hour gap, actually creating a 4 hour key level. Cool. 1 hour. We have this low right here. Boom. This low over here. We are having this gap right here. That's very nice. Cool. Let's go to the 1 hour just again to see where we are heading. Right now it looks like we still possibly could go lower. I wouldn't be surprised. We're just completely bearish. Even on the daily, I believe we're bearish. Yeah, we do have a daily gap right there that forms, so maybe we can manipulate up into that first and continue to sell off. But let's mark out these gaps right here. This one get inverse. It did not. So now we know that's a high that we could definitely end up reversing off of. Boom, we have 15-minute gap right here. Yeah, man, we're pretty much set up. I don't do too much setting up. I just get to straight buckets, as y'all can see. Let's go ahead and get it to market open. Now, before market open starts, I want to show y'all what I want. right? So I would like us to either manipulate higher and go lower, which would be very nice, into that 4-hour key level, but I don't believe we'll do that. I mean, we might manipulate actually lower, to be honest. We don't have any 15. Well, actually, we have a 15-minute gap right here. Possibly come and tap into there and sell off. Simple as that. But now, market open. Let's get into it. Oh, this is terrible market open. This is just nasty. Can we sweep out this low? We did not. Yeah, we just didn't get any manipulation higher. This is a bad price action right now. I'm going to wait till it clears up a little bit. Boom. Boom, boom. Okay, we're rejecting. What are we rejecting off of? Let's see, let's see. We didn't tap into any 15-minute gap, maybe a 5-minute. No, we did not. So this is not a valid play to take a long here. But let's see. Yeah, not a valid play yet. All manipulation. We're gonna probably catch the short. So boom, we tap into this gap. Now let's get a displacement down lower. Are we going to get this 5-minute inversion? Is that what we really want to do? We swept out this. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what we're looking like. Pushing lower. We just, I don't know. I possibly could see us go higher here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's give it one more candle. Which might be actually going to target. I'll take this play actually. 5-minute inversion, but it didn't. It didn't manipulate into anything. We have to be poised here, y'all. It didn't touch anything. It didn't do anything. But we are displacing very nicely. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Boom, tap into a 15-minute gap actually. So let's see how we reject off of that. Yeah, it just seems that we're just marching. We would have been break even if we would have took that long, but now this is the sell-off I've probably been waiting for. Let's get one more candle close. Boom. Okay, I like that. I'll hop into this. Let's see how this plays out. Should we just tap into a 5-minute gap actually? So let's not. Okay, cool. Got a little bit more confirmation here on the 1 minute. Yeah, I like this play. We are displacing nicely. CISD. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take this play. I'll go break even. That's an early break even, but that is the break even we have to go. I'm gonna end up selling TP down here. Stops right here, and let's see how this plays out. Boom, boom, boom. I think this is a good break even right here. Great trade, man. Great trade. Way to be patient. Simple as that. That's exactly right there what y'all need to be representing when y'all get into the markets. That is beautiful. I need to represent that myself. But that being said, thank y'all so much for coming out to this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all seen 2 wins going down. But yeah, man, thank y'all so much for coming out. I hope y'all enjoy it. Love.